Let me show you how you can delete this branch if you did not require in your local. So you can delete those branch. Git branch dash d, okay, and then branch name. So this command git branch dash d, like a new task one, so that will delete the branch. Okay, so this is deleted branch. So if we do git branch, there is a no any branch. Okay, so there are two options like git branch dash d, that small d and capital D. Small d will check like whether this branch is merged or not. If merged, then and only allowed to delete. If we do capital D, then it will forcefully delete the branch even if that is not merged. Okay, if we do capital D here. Okay, so this is the git branch. That's the branch name. That is command for deleting the branch from local. Okay, so if we here do git branch, it will now show only single branch because we already deleted that branch which is we did not require.